Let's have a look at question 7. So here we go. So we are going to start with, now if I think of my number line, there's 0. It's saying start at -4, and now we're going to subtract 18. So subtraction means I'm going back this way by 18, and that's going to take me down. So if I'm starting at -4, go down by 18, that's going to take me to -22. Then I need to add on 15. So from 22, I now need to add on 15 and think, where is that going to take me to? And that's going to take me to -7. What about this one? Having to use BEDMAS now. So think about order. And I'll just write down our BEDMAS to remind us. So, do we have any brackets? No, we do not. Do we have any exponents? No, we do not. Do I have any divisions? Yes, I do. So I'm going to do that first. So I'm going to say, right, 5 times, now 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then I've got -7 times 2. Okay, so now I need to think, do I have any multiplication? Yep, so I've got 5 times 2, which is 10, and I've got 7 times 2, which is 14. And now if I think on my number line, if I start at 10 and I take away 14, that's going to take me down to -4. Let's have a look at C. So BEDMAS rules again. Do we have any brackets? No, but we do. We have under the square root sign. That square root sign means take the square root of everything underneath it. And there's invisible brackets there that we're usually too lazy to write, but it's implied that they are there. So I want to work out what that is under the square root sign first. So 5 squared is 25. Take away 9. I'm just going to leave the rest of this alone for the moment. Now 25 take away 9 is 16, so this is the square root of 16 plus 4 cubed divided by 16. So I've dealt with the brackets. My next step is to do any powers or exponents, and this includes the square root. So the square root of 16 is 4 plus 4 cubed divided by 16. In fact, I've got another exponent there, which is my 4 to the power of 3, so I need to do that next. So 4 to the power of 3 means 4 times 4 times 4. So I now can work that out. So 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. Now I can do my division next. So 64 divided by 16 is saying how many times does 16 go into 64, and the answer to that is 4. And last of the addition, which gives us an answer of 8. Now let's have a look at part D. So BEDMAS rules, brackets first. So I want to work out all of that bracket. So I'm going to leave that -10 divided by first. Now inside this bracket I need to do the exponents first. So 20 divided by, now 2 squared is 4. So the rest of it I'm just writing out, I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to continue dealing with what's in the brackets here. Now 20 divided by 4 is 5. Keep going with our brackets. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, so dealt with my brackets. Now, are there any powers? No, there are not. Are there any divisions? Yes, there is. So we need to do this -10 divided by 5. Now, negative divided by positive will give me a negative. And then do the numbers. 10 divided by 5 will give me 2. Now, do I have any multiplication? Yes, I do. So I've got that 8, that 2 times 8, so, or negative 2 times 8. So negative times a positive is negative, and 2 times 8 is 16. And last but not least, do the subtraction. So negative 16 is down here, and I want to take away 2, so that's going to take me to negative 18.